Two apps can show the same missing language gap while having completely different rating volume and release freshness. Those are not the same opportunity. In this video, I'll show you how to separate them in a few minutes using real public App Store data. By the end, we'll have a ranked dataset of up to 25 habit tracker apps with localization gaps, rating volume, freshness, and an evidence confidence level. One important limitation before we start. The opportunity score is a prioritization tool. It does not estimate downloads, revenue, market size, or product market fit. It helps us decide which apps deserve a closer look. It does not replace business validation. Open the App Store Opportunity and Localization Gap Finder on Apify. I've put the actor link in the description. The input is organized into 3 short steps. First, choose a workflow. We want to discover apps from a market keyword, so select Search a Market. For the keyword, enter Habit Tracker. Next, keep the App Store country set to the United States. This tells the actor which storefront to use for discovery and metadata. Under Languages to check, enter French, German, and Spanish. These are the target languages we want to compare with each app's declared language support. Finally, keep the number of apps at 25. That is large enough to compare a useful sample, while keeping this first scan fast and easy to read. Leave Analyze Reviews switched off for this run. That choice matters. We're doing a fast metadata scan first. No written review text will be collected, so the review evidence component will stay at 0. The actor makes that missing layer visible in the confidence result instead of pretending the evidence is complete. We'll add country-specific review evidence in the next tutorial. Now click Start. The actor searches the public App Store endpoints, removes duplicate apps, checks declared language support, and calculates one analysis row per app. When the run finishes, open the dataset. This is the immediate result. One comparable row for each app. The main columns are the app name, data status, opportunity score, verdict, confidence, rating, number of ratings, and missing languages. Open a row to see the full score components, including freshness. Start with data status. If it says complete, the metadata needed for this row was returned successfully. A partial or empty status is a warning to investigate the data before using the score. Now open one real row from your result. The opportunity score combines 5 explainable components: rating volume, rating quality, missing target languages, localization pain evidence from reviews, and release freshness. For this search-only run, focus on 4 things. First, look at missing languages. If French, German, or Spanish appears here, that language was not listed in the app's declared support returned by the public App Store endpoint. This is a gap signal, not proof that every screen is untranslated. Second, look at the number of ratings. This is rating volume, not downloads and not revenue. It helps distinguish an app with visible user activity from one with almost no public traction signal. Third, inspect freshness. A recent release gets more weight than an app that has not been updated for a long time. Fourth, check confidence. Confidence measures how much of the expected evidence is available. It is not the probability that a localization project will succeed. Because we left reviews off, medium confidence can be completely normal here. You can also open the score components, reasons, and caveats to see exactly why the row received its score. Now return to the table and sort by opportunity score. Do not simply take the highest number and call it a validated idea. Build a shortlist of 3 to 5 apps where several signals agree: a real target language gap, meaningful rating volume, a reasonably fresh release, and clean metadata. If a score is high only because several languages are missing, but the app has almost no ratings, treat it as weak evidence. If an app has strong rating volume but already supports every target language, the localization angle may be limited. The useful cases are the ones where the signals reinforce each other. From the dataset, you can export the shortlist as CSV, Excel, or JSON for deeper comparison. Before leaving, copy the app ID of one interesting app. We'll use that exact ID in the next workflow to inspect French review pane, preserve the raw review evidence, and see whether the result is complete or limited by the request cap. So the workflow is simple. Search a market, Define the storefront and target languages. Request up to 25 apps, then compare the score with the underlying evidence. Use this result to prioritize research, not to claim guaranteed demand. In the next video, we'll take one app ID from this table and analyze country-specific localization complaints with a strict review request limit. The actor link is in the description. Save your best app ID, and I'll see you in the next workflow.